Question: what is the response format for SOAP and REST request? Answer is: SOAP is XML format. REST is generally JSON format but can send in XML and other formats also. Question: what is an object? Answer is: an object is an instance of a class. Question: how to manage visibility dynamically in ACL? Answer is: we can write advanced script in ACL. For example, we can create a read ACL at field level and use the below script we hide/show the field based on role. If you find this content helpful, then please like and subscribe. We wish you all the best. Question: how to call a web service from script include? Answer is: we can use the sn_ws.soap message f2 or sn_ws.rest message f2. Question: async BR, what is the purpose? Answer is: async BR is a business rule which runs later and we don't expect the result be displayed immediately after commit of the data. Whenever async business rule runs, it create a scheduler for it in background, and based on the availability of the nodes in ServiceNow it will execute. Web service calls can be made async BR after BR also runs after data is committed, runs immediately after committed. Question: what are ServiceNow class use have used? Answer is: glide record, glide element, glide system, glide aggregate, glide Ajax, glide form, glide user. If you find this content helpful, then please like and subscribe. We wish you all the best. Question: is discovery one-way/two-way communication? Answer is: discovery is one-way communication only. Mid-server pulls information from ECC queue and updates the ECC queue with response. ServiceNow instance never calls customer data center directly. Question: how to call a script include in WF? Answer is: write a new script activity and then call var x equals new include / new include is a script include name. x.myFunction / myFunction is the function name in script include. Question: what are the stages of discovery? Answer is: 1. Port scanning. Discovery sends the SAM probe to the network to see if specified ports are open on the network and if they can respond to queries. For example, if SAM finds a device that responds on port 135, Discovery knows that it is a Windows server. 2. Classification. If Discovery finds devices, it continues to send probes to find the type of device at each IP address. For example, Discovery would send the WMI probe, which is used for Windows devices, and find out that the Windows operating system on this server is running Windows 2. Question: classifiers specify which trigger probes to run for identification and exploration. 3. Identification. Discovery tries to gather more information about the device, looks at those attributes, determines if it has a CI in the CMDB, and reconciles that information by either updating the CI or creating a CI. Discovery uses additional probes, sensors, and identifiers to do this. Identifiers, also known as identification rules, specify the attributes that the probes look at when reconciling data with the CIS in the CMDB. If you are using patterns, Discovery uses the appropriate identification rule for the CI type specified in the pattern. For .exploration, the identifier in the previous step, identification, launches the exploration probes configured in the classification record to gather additional information about the device, like the applications running on the device, and attributes about the device, such as memory, network cards, drivers, etc. Discovery then maps applications to devices and to other applications. In this phase, Discovery also uses additional probes and sensors that are hard-coded to find this additional information. If you are using a pattern, the operations in the pattern perform the exploration of the CI. If you find this content helpful, then please like and subscribe. We wish you all the best. Question: difference between REST vs SOAP? Answer is: SOAP is a protocol which was designed before REST and came into the picture. The main idea behind designing SOAP was to ensure that programs built on different platforms and programming languages could exchange data in an easy manner. REST was designed specifically for working with components such as media components, files, or even objects on a particular hardware device. Any web service that is defined on the principles of REST can be called a RESTful web service. A RESTful service would use the normal HTTP verbs of GET, POST, PUT and DELETE for working with the required components. Question: difference between order guide vs record producer? Answer is: a record producer is a type of a catalog item that allows users to create task-based records from the service catalog. Record producer are used when end user wants to create incident/problem request but they don't have access to create those requests directly. For example, you can create a change record or problem record using record producer. Record producers provides an alternative way to create records through service catalog. Order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates several items. For example, a new employee hire order guide can contain several items that new employees commonly need, such as business cards, computer, and cell phone. After selecting this order guide, the customer can then provide information about the new employee, including location and job title. The order guide then submits an order for catalog items like business cards, based on the details provided. Order guides determine which catalog items to order by evaluating order guide rule conditions. Information the customer enters within the order guide can be passed as cascading variables to the ordered items, allowing common information to be reused across multiple items.